You haven't gotten your ticket yet? Now, I am making this like a vlog. I'm not totally showing me making the dress because I'm making a whole separate video on just the making of my red carpet dress. This is more just for posterity, you know, documenting my whole process. So I was originally doing 2 dresses and then I just made the executive decision I'm just gonna do the one. You'll hear about it in my dress video. I just can't do it. I'm gonna finish up my one dress. I have a lot to do today and I'm like freaking out because I just don't have enough time. I hate that garbage bag back there. I need to throw it away. I just don't have enough time to get everything done, and then as you know, I sell my dresses, and for some reason with the stupid postal service, I've been having so many issues lately. 2 of my international packages got returned because of customs, which I've done it a million times. I don't know why they wouldn't go through. So I have a million things that I have to go reship off today. So I have to go to USPS, I need to go to UPS, I have to package the things, I have to get packaging. Oh my gosh, I'm ranting. I think it's because I'm stressed. I'm really kind of stressed, but I'm still in a good mood. Like, I'm actually living life, I'm loving life. So I'm gonna finish my dress today and I'm gonna mail off those packages. I don't know when the next time is that I will check back in with you, but I hope you guys don't mind this type of video too much. I'm kind of into the vlogging scene. Not really, I posted like 1 vlog. I'm trying to get better at it. I don't know if you guys care about me that much to watch a vlog, so if you are watching this video, thank you. And I'm just talking too much because I have too much on my mind. I will catch up with you. I don't even know when. Alexa, how many days away is March 15th?
Saturday, March 15th, 2025 is in 10 days.
The countdown is on still. 10 days before the premiere. And I feel like I'm making such a big deal out of this, but it's because it's a really big deal to me. Like, I'm probably being really annoying about it because, I don't know, I'm probably just being annoying, but I'm probably never gonna go into one of these things again, so I'm making the most out of it. With that said, I have a lot to get done still. It's Wednesday, so I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I have 3 days to finish everything. Today, my main priority is finishing this dress, which, check out the dressmaking video, which I'm probably sure is already out. I'm not gonna go into detail on this dress. My hair extensions are getting here today. I'll probably check back in when I get those. I actually have such a beef with my sister about, no, exactly like almost a year ago, last May. She's like, Lex, your hair looks so bad. Like, let me just say, she's a hair snob. She has like this beautiful curly hair that she takes such good care of. I just wash my hair, okay? I dry it with heat. Sue me. She's like, your hair looks so bad. You have the worst dead ends. She's always telling me my hair looks so bad. I have the worst dead ends. I need to cut it, cut it, cut it. So I was like, you know what? Fine. I will cut it. I cut like 5 inches off. I used to have beautiful long hair. She's like, it'll grow faster once you cut it. It's not grown 1 iota since last May and it's now March. I'm looking back at pictures from back then when I first cut it and it's the exact same length. It used to be way down here. Anyway, I have hair extensions coming in. We're gonna hope they're the right. I've had these hair extensions in for like, I always just have to balance this on the weirdest things. I'm balancing it on my frog lamp right now. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Had these extensions in for a couple hours and I'm actually so obsessed with them. Genuinely, usually very happy with my appearance. I like myself a lot and I'm not trying to be annoying. I'm just like, I'm really confident in myself. But these hair extensions, it's making me feel like I need extensions, and my hair has been kind of bugging me lately how it's just so thin. Like, that is so pretty. Like, it's so thick. It's gorgeous. It looks pretty good as far as I can tell. I've been trying to look through it in the mirror, but that's just my update on the hair extensions. I just finished this dress. I have written out a long list of to-do for the next 2 days. I don't know when I'm gonna check in with you. This is probably gonna be the longest vlog ever, and I apologize if you hate me, but I guess if you hate me, you wouldn't be watching this. Wow, I really like these a lot. Doing my nails because I'm leaving tomorrow. I decided on this dark jelly marine color. It's just a dark blue, and I'm gonna put Swarovski crystals on them. I've already been at it for an hour and they're only prepped. They're ready now to actually paint. That was like 2 hours, but I did just finish my nails. I've mentioned on this channel before, my biggest insecurity about myself is my fingers because they're so short and fat. And the nails have made me a little bit more, shall I say, confident in my hands. But I still try to stay away from darker colors because I feel like they accentuate the chubbiness. So it's very unlike me to do these blue ones. And I'm not in love with them. I feel like my fingers look hideously fat, but I am not redoing them. And I added Swarovski crystals on them. So we're gonna live with them. I'm just assuring them it'll be fine. I need to get over it. Nobody cares. Or at least that's what my mom says. My mom says nobody cares. So I'm eating some white rice. This is what I call the survivor diet. I've been on this recently because nothing sounds appetizing, so I've been living off of white rice. I need to pack and trying to figure out how many books I want to bring because I'm going to be there for 10 days. Normally I go through about 3 books on a 3-day trip, but my mom just finished the Da Vinci Code and she really liked it. So I got a copy and the font is incredibly small. So I'm wondering how long this will last me. I think I might just bring this book. And if I need another one, I'll buy one because we all know I don't have a Kindle anymore. I left that on the plane last time. We are on our way to Burbank. You're coming for 3 days. Yeah. I'm coming for 10. Got all my stuff.
Really early.
We got here really early because last month I got here,
no one in the
I
line.
waited an hour, 20 minutes. This time, there's nobody there at all. That's okay, my skin's getting better. Okay, we're in the car. Tell me why, okay, in my 22 years of living, I've learned that you need to advocate for yourself, okay?
And we did that.
I did it! You did not say a word. You were too nervous.
I told you to tell him.
I was already going to. I advocated for us. We get there, they tell me zone 3. I pull up to zone 3. The only car available is a freaking Kia Soul. How no am I driving a Kia Soul? So I find somebody at Hertz and I'm like, is there any other cars? I am not driving this car. And they're like, well, we can maybe bring another one. And I'm waiting, and this guy pulls up with this Hyundai Sonata or whatever. He's like, this one's way nicer, you can take this one. I'm like, thank you so much, sir. Just let it be known. If you don't want to do something, like, they'll get you on
Just say
one.
no. There's so many cars
Just say
there.
no. There's like hundreds of cars there. But
And how they decide what zone you get, I don't know, because last time they put us in the president's circle.
I know, there's a million cars. We're getting on the 5. There's a million cars, and they assign us to the section that only has 1 car available. Like,
It's a Kia.
I'm
Soul.
At least it wasn't a green one. No offense if you drive a Kia Soul.
It just, I'm not gonna come to California to drive a Kia Soul.
No, this one's way better. So anyway, we're on the road. We're heading to Disneyland. It'll probably be like an hour drive. We're meeting our grandma there. Going from Burbank to Anaheim. We will update because we're gonna take the camera and put it with us.
Wait,
to
is this
Disneyland.
recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh. Okay.
So see you on the flip side. Bye. That took so long. That was like the longest drive ever. The traffic was extremely bad.
I feel like it was typical.
No,
It felt no longer than usual. It actually felt a little shorter than usual for me.
not for me as the driver. And the lines are crazy right now.
I don't really want to go on a ride today.
Me neither. We are finally here, almost 3 hours later. We're gonna scan in. Imagine somebody uses that to get in. I just woke up. I'm so dumb. I wanted to read last night. I started the Da Vinci Code on the plane yesterday. It was really good. Like, I've already read this one. So I was reading and I had an alarm set for 7:30. And I thought to myself, oh, even if I go to bed at midnight, I'll still get 7.5 hours of sleep. That's not too bad. It was daylight savings last night, so I actually only slept 6 hours. I'm a little angry with myself, but I'm taking my medications. I need to get dressed. I try to decide what to wear. Unfortunately, it's gonna be rainy every other day, but today it's gonna be 73 tonight. So I think I'm gonna wear a tank top. I bought this one yesterday at Brandy Melville. It's very cute, but it might be too cold. Ready for our first official day. We're excited for this day because it's our warmest day. It's gonna be 73 and sunny. Tomorrow is gonna be sunny, I think, and maybe 70, but then everything from there is rain, 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 rain. So we're gonna go tinkle. I might cut that out. And then, no, get into the park. So, oh, my skin is doing so good. Really put me on Belvitas.
So good.
So good.
This is the
This
cheapest
is like
meal.
$10.
Yeah, $10.
For 2 sides of beans and 2 sides of rice, and it's a lot of food.
It's a lot of food. I'm stuffed. Cheaper than a churro.
Yeah, 2 churros cost more.
2 churros cost more than this.
This
beans
is
and
like,
rice.
if you're here and you need a cheap meal, get this.
Very cheap. Very
Cheap,
affordable.
filling,
Is what cheap.
good. Get it with the cheese. Get it with the cheese. I like this bowl too. We should steal the bowl. Oh, that's a good idea.
We've been up at the train station for
At least an hour.
at least an hour.
Probably a little more.
An hour and a half, probably.
Yeah, probably. I could go more.
I read a lot of this, drank a lot of water. We're trying to tan. The UV is at 7. We just sat there for over 2 hours tanning.
Do it again.
we were saying, like when we shower tonight, that water better sting a little. Like we better have a little tan going on. But we forced ourselves to get up. We're heading to Tomorrowland and we're gonna do Astro Blasters because I am amazing at it. And then we're gonna do Autopia. That'll be fun to vlog. Lorelai's going to drive us because I don't want to do that. Imagine I dropped it. Mama, don't do that. Mama, don't do that. Our bit of the day. Mama, a blade behind you. Whoa, Mama, a pet driver behind you. My favorite ride, Mr. Toad. She's steamy today. I think we might do Pirates. If it's not too long. Yeah. It's crowded everywhere though. So we're at Disneyland. This is second full day. Lorelai got, what's it called?
Frozen orange high C. Love
A frozen orange high C.
But I love McDonald's high C.
She loves high C. I am well into my book. I bought the second one and it's overnighting to my grandma's house, so I'll have it tomorrow on Astro Blasters because it's only 5 minutes.
Here for about.
My goal is to get at least 400,000. What's your goal?
I think I did 2 mil.
2 mil? What is that? Level 5. New bit I started in my last trip is that on this ride, for some reason they've not updated it. You can email the picture to yourself instead of like getting it on your phone. So every time I ride it, I send it to my dad. So we're putting in my dad's email right now. Where's our photo? Oh, wait, there. Send it to dad. Should we dox dad? Put his email on here.
Just had lunch. It's actually kind of cold right now.
Beans and rice. Literally, it's the best meal. I'm not even lying. I did not vlog the rest of our day because we were mainly with our grandma and it's hard to vlog with her because she just doesn't get it. And we had to try to explain, but even if you explain, she really still doesn't get it. So I just refrained from vlogging, but we did a lot. We're headed home. Priority number one was that we have to get some aloe vera for, we have terrible burns. Laura, look at the camera, you're being rude.
No, I'm texting my mom.
We have literally the worst burns from yesterday. We have to go get aloe vera because today was torturous. And we're gonna get dinner. Normally we get in and out every single time, but we're getting Raising Cane's.
We're on a Raising Cane's kick.
We are on a Raising Cane's kick, so we're gonna get that. And then we have a reservation. We each have different park reservations tomorrow and we can't park hop until 11. So tomorrow we're having a morning in because we can't get here till 11 if we want to be at the same park. I'll see you then. I found out the most exciting thing last night. I follow Rachel Zegler and she had a post on her story last night. The Snow White dress is on display in California Adventure at Disneyland. So I get to go see the Snow White dress, which I don't prefer. And I'm so excited actually to see it, to see what it looks like in person, because I think maybe it might be better in person. So I'm taking you today. It's in California Adventure. It's a rainy day at Disneyland to go see what's up. It is behind glass, so I'm not gonna get like a super close look, but I was not expecting to get to see the dress. That's really cool. We're not getting there till later. We did not leave the house until like noon. And we're looking for the dress, which is somewhere. I feel bad. I just told Laura I feel bad I left you guys hanging because I didn't vlog the rest of our trip, and she said, they don't care. I said, yes, they do.
Know.
I said, I'm about to tell them I left them hanging. Okay, I last said we were gonna go see the dress. We had to go on a little treasure hunt to find the dress. It was inside a restaurant, so I had to kindly ask if I could go see the dress without actually having a reservation for the restaurant. He let us in. I'm not saying anything bad. I'm just, you can
Just
you can just assume. I thought that the dress would be better in person than what we saw. You know what? You can just assume what I did get some footage of it. I'll put it up. It was hard to see because it was behind glass though. And we only lasted like 2 hours. We did 3 laps on the train. That's literally all we did. Where is our car?
Got a pretzel, we got cookies.
We got a pretzel, we got cookies.
Crazy
we saw
busy
the dress.
today.
Oh my gosh, we thought it would be not busy because it's a rainy, cold, freezing day.
On a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday.
It's the
busiest yet. You could barely walk in that place. It was like a New Year's Eve crowd. So we said, we're out of here.
So
it's
the
like
line for Rise the Resistance, 3 hours long.
3 hours. We're walking aimlessly.
Where is that car?
Oh, it was behind this teal one.
Oh yeah.
There it is. There's our chariot. Our chariot awaits. And so we lasted a couple hours. We did 3 laps on the train. We just have to leave. It's starting to rain. It's very, very cold. We just can't do it anymore. We can't do it. And it's so busy. It's actually crazy how busy it is. So we're gonna go back home. Uh-oh, sorry, car next to me. Oh my gosh, I can't get in, Lorelai. These spots are so small. We're gonna go home. We might go out to dinner later. Panera. We should go to Cheesecake Factory. I didn't bring my camera with me, but I'm at the Getty. I'm very excited. I love art. We're gonna see some art. You guys, I've not filmed the past 3 days because all I did was go to Disneyland and the Getty. I'm about to leave and I'm freaking out. I have my hair done. I need to brush through it. I'm gonna put on my dress. I'm literally gonna throw up. I'm so scared. I'm gonna throw up. And I got burned. That burn is peeling currently, so that's lovely. We're parked. We have to find a bathroom. And then we are going to the premiere. I'm scared. Mom, are you scared?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Nothing bad's gonna happen, hopefully. Try to keep you updated, but they're taking our phones when we go in for the movie. So, I don't know. I don't know. Just made it to the red carpet.
Mirror on the wall, show us the world's premiere of Disney's Snow White.
We just got back to the car. That was the most fun experience of our life. Did you have fun?
All I can say is imagine what it would be like walking into Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
It was
magical.
so pretty.
It
Like
was magical.
The craziest party ever. So many party favors. Look at this bag. They had like make your own bouquet, all of this stuff. Make your own candy. They had a candy bar. Like we had so much candy in here. Dig for diamonds. Oh my gosh, it was so crazy. And I walked the red carpet, you guys. Getty image going my way. And I got recognized a lot. Everybody was like, I love your dresses, which is just weird. It's weird to think that people actually know who I am outside of my little life. But a lot of people did. And then we're leaving and there's all these swarms of people outside the theater waiting for people to come out, and people are asking me for photos. I'm like, oh, they just think I'm famous. And then this one guy, he's like, Alexandra, can I take a photo? Like they knew who I was. Isn't that weird? Anyway, that was crazy.
Fun.
Wow.
Crazy fun.
Now we get to do it. Go to Disneyland tomorrow. That was crazy. Wow, that was so fun. We're going to Disneyland today, and my mom is so dumb.
Oh, I
Respectfully.
they're so cute. In my, I thought you must ask about you so
She is cute. You're not gonna believe what this woman did. She walked into my room at 10 p.m. last night. She said, she hands me her debit card. She goes, can you get my ticket? I said, Mom, you haven't gotten your ticket yet? I go buy her ticket. Sold out. The park was sold out. Not a ticket to be bought. Luckily, I'm a veteran and I knew that somebody would have to cancel their ticket reservation. So I refreshed. We got her that ticket, but I was freaking out. I couldn't believe that she waited so long. I'm not bringing the camera because it's too heavy. We'll film it one way.
Yeah.
We should get some clips.
Yeah.
This is our last day. I'm a vlogger now.
I know.
Mama, I'm a vlogger.
I know.